Bro, na-scam lang daw ako sa VUL. Totoo ba? Alam niyo po, mainit na usapin ngayon sa online ang topic ng VUL. Pero ano nga ba ang VUL? VUL is, first of all, an insurance product with an investment component. Ibig sabihin, the premium that you pay for serves two things. First is to cover the cost of insurance and its charges and to buy investment units. Now, these investment units will allow you to participate in market growth. Pero bakit after 5 years, mababa pa rin ang fund value? During the first few years of the policy, malaking portion ng premium ang pinambabayad sa insurance. Kaya naman, it will take a while before ka kumita sa regular pay VUL. Lalo na kung malaki ang insurance benefit mo. And this usually requires long-term commitment on the part of the client. Now, sure ba nakikita ako dito? Like any other investment or kahit business pa yan, hindi guaranteed ang growth ng money. There are so many factors or variables that will affect the market return. Ito ang dapat na hina-highlight ng financial advisor mo para ma-set yung tamang expectation at makita talaga na naintindihan mo ang product. And hindi mo maiisip na nai-scam ka. Nasa policy contract mo ang projection ng fund values kung ito ay low, medium, or high ang market return. Now, ano ba yung advantage ng VUL? Para sa akin, isa sa napakagandang advantage niya is that dahil may fund value nga siya na hindi siya basta-basta maglalapse in case na hindi ka makabayad ng premium, granted na nakabuild ka ng enough fund to sustain your policy's annual premium. And by the way, wag mo naman siyang exhaust kasi may minimum amount lang siya wherein if the fund value goes lower than that amount, then the policy will terminate. Pero syempre, para ma-achieve mo yung mga financial goals mo, mas maganda na tuloy-tuloy ang pagbabayad ng premium. In summary, maganda naman talaga ang VUL because it gives you a lifelong protection and the fund value may help support the future cost of insurance and the possibility of fund growth. Pero of course, this is not a one-size-fits-all product. Pinakamaganda pa rin that you talk to a trustworthy financial advisor para ma-assess yung insurance needs mo and your investment goals. Meron ka bang question? Comment mo lang sa baba and I will try to answer. This is Paolo, your financial advisor. Stay healthy, stay protected, and live financially ready. Bye-bye! See you in the next video.